Well, we weren't supposed to have a challenge night because there was a corporate event that kind of, messed with our regular challenge night schedule, but we decided to come up and do some racing after that anyways, and boy, let me tell you, it's a good thing that we did because this is one of the most fun layouts we have done in such a long time. We combined our NASCAR Super Speedway layout, which is a giant oval, which is always a ton of fun, and then we decided it would be fun if we added a figure eight section to it. So part of the track layout means you had to enter into the circle in the middle of the track, do a full lap, and then exit. So you're hitting traffic of people who are entering, people who are exiting. It is a wild time. And then in addition to that, we still had the leader outside the cone section, which means every time the leader hits that section, they have to take it, which keeps people bunched up just for even more craziness in that figure eight section. If you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. If you like this race, make sure you subscribe because I have one more coming. And even though this one was tremendously fun, the next one is somehow even better. But anyways, do whatever you want. Have a good one.
Well, we are here for a preposterous event. We are doing... They forgot to turn the power on there. That was really funny. So we're doing Super Speedway, but also a figure eight. I am so excited for this race. This is gonna be so cool. We were supposed to have challenge night, and then it kind of got canceled. There's a lot of scheduling snafus happening, but since I think mainly because it's one of our racers' birthdays, Brian, I think they're like, we'll just, how about we just give you some free races, So we're here doing like essentially kind of like a secret challenge night type thing, where we kind of gave them an idea of what we wanted to do, and we are doing it. Oh goodness, this is gonna be so wild. Oh man, this thing is... Alright, we need people to catch up. There was kind of a little caution at the beginning. It kind of spiked, it made it kind of a big I got the old 2-for-1, brother. Side by side, let's go. I was trying to keep it too wide so we could do it. It's okay. It's okay. It was good. It was good. It was good. Ah! Oh, no. We're 3 wide. We are 3 wide. Oh no. Okay, it's really tough to do 2 wide. Oh goodness. I'll tell you what, that leader section does not do a whole lot. Oh, that's for sure. Oh boy. Ah! He's coming for my back end. I'm trying to give you 2 wide. I'm trying. We're trying. Okay, I still have the leader section. I still have it. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay, I still have the lead. I still have it. Ah! Oh no. Ah! I'm trying to give you 2 wide, Brian. I'm trying. I got your inside, bud. I got your inside. Ah! Okay. We made it. We made it. Ah! No. Let's go. Oh my God. This is the best race we've ever done.